Welcome to a brand new series on the CryptoVagabonds channel, where we break down projects in a clear, actionable way to help you decide if they're worth your time. Today, we're diving into SoSoValue, an AI-powered crypto research and investment platform designed to solve the fragmentation of crypto data. Instead of switching between different CeFi exchanges like Binance and Coinbase or DeFi protocols such as Aave and Uniswap, SoSoValue aggregates everything into one unified dashboard with real-time insights. This means you can track portfolios, compare yields, and analyze market trends without wasting time or missing opportunities. And at the end of our review, we'll give SoSoValue a final score out of 100. And remember, nothing in this video is financial, tax, or legal advice. Let's start with what makes SoSoValue different: use case and utility. The crypto world is overwhelmed with unstructured data, forcing investors to manually track and compare holdings across various platforms. SoSoValue tackles this fragmentation by providing a unified, real-time view of the market that combines data from both CeFi and DeFi ecosystems, along with macroeconomic insights. Unlike other tools that focus on only one side, the platform integrates AI-driven market analytics with on-chain data, industry analysis, news, and community discussions, offering a comprehensive research system rather than just a basic tracker. It even features a unique SSI protocol, a smart contract-based system that allows users to invest in a diversified crypto index through a single wrapped token, with a customizable interface designed for both beginners and advanced traders. This approach simplifies the investment process, saves time, and reduces errors, potentially making the platform as indispensable for crypto investors as Bloomberg Terminal is for traditional finance. However, its ultimate success hinges on whether its advanced AI-driven insights can truly outperform the free alternatives currently available. Score 8 out of 10. Team and development. SoSoValue was co-founded by Jiva Kwan, Jesse Lowe, and Mei Wang. Although the team prefers to keep a low profile compared to high-visibility competitors like Masari or Nansen, their progress is evident. The project has attracted significant institutional support, raising $4.15 million in June 2024 and an additional $15 million in January 2025 from investors such as Hongshan, Marana Ventures, and SafePal. This strong funding suggests confidence in the platform's potential, even though the lack of a well-publicized roadmap raises questions about long-term innovation and execution. Score 7 out of 10. Tokenomics. The native SoSo token has a total supply of 1 billion tokens divided among several key groups. About 33% is reserved for the core team and contributors to ensure those building the project are incentivized for long-term success. Another 16.5% goes to early investors who provided the necessary funding to help grow the platform and reward the community. 30% is allocated for ecosystem initiatives and airdrops, while 17% is set aside for the foundation to support ongoing development. Finally, 3.5% is allocated to strategic partners. In early 2025, the project plans to distribute an additional 49 million tokens through an airdrop. This distribution is split into 3 parts: 4 million tokens via the Bybit launch pool, 15 million tokens through a program where users earn rewards by engaging with the platform, and 30 million tokens as staking rewards over 1 month. These structured allocations, along with vesting schedules that release tokens gradually, are designed to prevent a sudden influx of tokens into the market, which could lead to inflation or manipulation. However, it's still uncertain if SoSo will achieve sustainable long-term demand, especially since many successful analytics services operate without needing a native token. Many successful analytics platforms earn revenue through subscriptions or service fees without relying on a native token. This is a concern for SoSo because its token's value might be driven more by market speculation than by genuine long-term utility. If the token isn't essential for the platform's core functions, its demand could falter once initial hype fades. Without intrinsic utility, the token becomes vulnerable to price volatility and manipulation, which can undermine investor confidence and the project's overall sustainability. Score 6 out of 10. Hype versus fundamentals. There's no shortage of hype around SoSoValue, thanks in part to its strong funding and its promise of AI-powered research. However, hype alone doesn't guarantee success. Yet, the true measure of value will come from its ability to deliver reliable, real-time insights that investors can depend on. Facing stiff competition from established players like Nansen, Glassnode, and Dune Analytics, SoSoValue must continually prove that its features and analytics provide genuine advantages over existing tools. Without consistent performance and differentiation, it risks becoming just another overhyped project in the crowded crypto analytics space. Score 7 out of 10. Market liquidity and volatility. At present, SoSo suffers from low liquidity. With fewer active buyers and sellers, large trades can trigger sharp price fluctuations. Buying in bulk might temporarily spike the price, while selling a large amount could force the price to drop suddenly. This volatility makes SoSo a speculative asset rather than a stable investment, at least until it secures listings on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase and gains broader adoption. Score 6 out of 10. Security and decentralization. SoSoValue operates as a centralized analytics platform, meaning users rely on its data accuracy without the option to verify everything on-chain. Although it hasn't experienced major hacks or breaches so far, similar platforms such as Nansen and Dune Analytics have encountered bot attacks and scraping issues. Moreover, the centralized nature of the platform means that regulatory or third-party pressures could potentially impact data neutrality. Users should be cautious and treat the platform as an information provider rather than a trustless system. Score 5 out of 10. Network activity and adoption. Despite impressive funding and rapid initial growth, SoSoValue's overall network activity and adoption still trail behind industry leaders like Masari and Glassnode. The platform has been actively engaging its community through initiatives such as airdrop events. Season 2 of their airdrop, for example, has attracted significant attention with detailed guides and tutorials to help users participate. Additionally, SoSoValue maintains an active presence on YouTube, where its regularly uploaded content consistently attracts tens of thousands of views within a day, reflecting a strong and engaged audience. While these efforts have driven a notable increase in registered users, for lasting success, the platform must also attract more institutional users and active traders. The initial surge in interest shows promise, but widespread sustainable adoption remains a key challenge for long-term viability. Score 6 out of 10. Scalability and technology. SoSoValue's competitive edge lies in its AI-driven analytics, which promise faster and more accurate market insights than many traditional data aggregators. However, it remains to be seen whether its technology can handle high-volume data streams and scale as user demand grows. The platform's infrastructure must be robust enough to process vast amounts of blockchain data without slowdowns, or users may switch to faster alternatives. Continuous innovation and technical refinement are essential to maintain its edge over competitors like Dune Analytics and Token Terminal. Score 7 out of 10. Security and self-custody. SoSoValue is a research and analytics platform, not a custodial exchange, meaning it does not store user funds and is not exposed to exchange-style hacks or fund mismanagement. However, it does collect user data and trading patterns, which could be vulnerable in the event of a security breach. As for its index tokens SSI, they can be self-custodied in compatible wallets on the base blockchain, ensuring users retain full control over their assets. The best practice for investors is to use SoSoValue strictly as a research tool while managing their private keys and sensitive information offline. Score 7 out of 10. Regulatory risks and other risks. As an analytics provider rather than an exchange or a DeFi platform, SoSoValue faces relatively low direct regulatory risk. Another key factor is talent retention. If top developers or AI researchers leave, it could slow innovation and weaken its competitive edge. So far, the project is stable, but its long-term success depends on adapting to regulations, securing partnerships, and maintaining top-tier analytics. Score 8 out of 10. Final verdict. Should you pay attention to SoSoValue? SoSoValue is a promising project with solid institutional backing and a unique approach to solving the data fragmentation problem in crypto. However, challenges remain, including low liquidity, questions about long-term token utility, and the need to prove its technology can scale effectively. In a market filled with hype and rapid innovation, only time will tell whether SoSoValue can establish itself as a reliable, indispensable tool for crypto investors. Total score, 67 out of 100. What do you think? Is SoSoValue truly a game-changing tool in crypto analytics, or just another project riding the wave of hype? If you're interested in the project, make sure to educate yourself and do your own research. And as always, stay curious and stay hodling.